Shelves are one of my favorite ways to organize, and there's a variety of different shelves that you could use, from one that's deeper like this to a shallower shelf like this. They all could be very cute. And now to acrylic storage. I love these. I found these on Amazon. They have them all over the place from varying prices. Magnets are one of my favorite ways of organizing. I have adhesive magnets here, and it's customizable. So let's check it out. And one other way to use magnets, check out the video link below. This was a super easy project, one that I'm sure that you could do yourself. It took like less than an hour to do, and I think it turned out great, and I am actually using this in my home. I find it very helpful for organizing all of my powdered makeup, and it keeps it all there in one nice place. Trays could be very useful. I believe I found these on Amazon or Etsy, and you could use them if you are transporting your makeup back and forth, and use a plastic or a mason jar or something of the sort to organize them. If you have the space for a desk or vanity, it's a great solution for organizing makeup. Okay, spice racks, you probably haven't seen this before, but if you take the lids off, you can actually store all of your makeup in the spice jars, and I think it would work great. Rolling storage is an effective way to store your makeup. You probably have seen these before. Some people use them for craft supplies or for school homework stations, but makeup storage would be another option. Small space? No problem. Everybody usually has a door somewhere, so over the door storage is a great way to store your makeup, and even add a mirror like in this one. Who doesn't need a mirror to get ready in the morning? I think it's great. Another small space solution is a tiered shelf. This one's great because it's vertical and a space saver. You could also use a shelf like this to hang on the wall or to set on a desk. This one is also like a tiered Lazy Susan. I think it works great. You could organize it in a small area. Here's another different type of shape. If you like that kind of design, here's your thing. Okay, yes, these are scrapbooking drawers, but you don't have to use them that way. If you have lots of makeup, this would be a great way to organize and label it up. And who says a cake stand is only for cupcakes or cake? It's great for jewelry and also great for organizing your makeup and making it look really pretty. And the makeup bag. It's great if you're a traveler or you have to do things on the go, or you're one of those that likes to touch up the makeup. Makeup bag is your solution.